Hello Drone Racers, I'm Mark and today on Drone Racer 101 I'm going to show you a tool that I just got and I've already fallen in love with. We all know that you should take your props off every time you do anything other than flying it with your quad if you're going to work on it at all, but it's such a pain in the butt. I used to have a wrench, but I had to move it for other things, so I ordered this. This is a tool from iFlight that I ordered, and we're going to put it together and see it work on the quad, and I think it's going to be amazing. If it's not amazing, I'm never going to publish this video. So it's interesting. It comes with a bag and a bag, and then you get some motor nuts. Like, you probably don't need those, but I guess it doesn't hurt to have spares, but I don't care about those. This is what we really want. Well, let's open it up. So in the baggie, we're going to do an unboxing. Sorry, Bruce.
I'm not going to unbox it on screen because there's probably 1,000,001 unboxing videos. It's all boring as bet poo.
So we've got a handle, another little baggie, and the actual wrench. I thought this was a little odd at first, but what you've got here is like, oh, it'll just slide around. That seems annoying. No. What happens is they even give you a little baggie here with an Allen wrench in case you don't have one, and 2 set screws. So I guess one's a spare. And then what we've got here is up in the bottom here. Put this on here. We'll go ahead and get it started here. Slide that up there. Get it started, and that's going to feed through there. We can see it there just a little bit. So I'm going to put this through here now. Try and get everything all lined up. I'll tighten this until it's tight. There we go. One side of this I see is square, and I've scratched it a little bit, unfortunately. The other side is beveled, so you want the beveled side down. There we go. I can feel it. End up being right in the spot there, and now it's good and tight. I'll just torque that down. There we go. I'm going to put this and the screw in here just in case something happens to it. But now, if I get a quad, like this quad you've been seeing a lot recently, it fits right on top of the nuts here, and I can loosen it. Now, I really like this one. I've had some others, but they were all down low and they fit around the side, and it was annoying with the props. I really like this one because it's raised up a lot. And this also goes really well with my motor holder that I've got, that I recorded a video that nobody seemed to appreciate. Guys, has this ever happened to you? Sometimes you just can't get your nut on or off. Unfortunately, it looks like my motor holder has gotten lost somewhere in my re-cleaning of my office. But there, that's so nice. I'm much more inclined to actually take my props on and off, and these are reversed. I still like that. I don't care, but it makes it nice. So much better to take these on and off. So there we go. That is my favorite tool of the moment. If you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below. I've got a link for this. There are several places you can get it. We've got it multiple places. So until next time, remember, it's so annoying when the phone rings.